This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN.Live. We're coming to you from the 2019 Disruptive Growth Conference here in New York City. With me is Alf Poor from Ideanomics, and it's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is IDEX. Alf, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thank you, Shelley. Great to be here.
It's good to have you.
Thank you.
Let's get started with a brief overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Yes, certainly. We're a global fintech company. We're co-headquartered in New York City and in Beijing, China.
All right, let's get right into it. A little history of the company.
Yeah, the company is actually a transformation. It was a media company till a few years ago. Our chairman came in and decided we wanted to change things up a little. So we've divested those assets. We've moved primarily into the fintech space at this time.
So being specific into the fintech, what are some products?
Some of the products we're looking at is trading systems. We own an ATS, which is a type of alternative market exchange here in the US. Also, we're very active in anything which is a disruptive industry, where technologies such as AI and blockchain can be applied. So specifically, trading systems, financial services, anything to do with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and also the electric vehicle space, which we're very active in Asia.
So Alf, give me some specific fintech products, please.
So with our ATS in particular, we made the investment to buy the majority ownership of that ATS because we want to get into digital securities and fractionalization of asset-backed securities as well.
Any other fintech products that you should tell me about?
Well, yeah, in the digital security space in particular, we're looking to get into real estate first to help legitimize the business, to help investors become more comfortable. We're going to be starting off with medical properties and also leisure-based properties such as resorts and hotels.
So what would you say is your competitive advantage?
At this point, our competitive advantage is we have a technological advantage on the market. We work with technologies from all over the world. We also have, being co-located in Beijing and New York, gives us tremendous reach into two major markets.
What is the landscape that you're facing?
It's a shift in the way things are done, whether it's trading systems moving onto blockchain-based trading, or it's using AI to do underwriting or risk management within financial services. Those are what we're looking at. It's really just getting a change in behaviors that these more efficient, more modern technologies can provide.
So what does your team look for in your target marketing?
In our target marketing, we're looking for any industry where there's a transformation happening, where we can come in and help streamline, bring that extra efficiency with our technologies, and extra profits for us and for our partners.
What's your background?
My background, I started off in the financial services side of the automotive industry. I spent the last 22 years in startups, and we consider this very much a startup because of the types of technologies and the kind of culture that we're trying to foster. So this was a perfect fit for me.
So as a public company, can you tell me, based on past press releases, what are some growth drivers?
Yeah, major growth drivers for us. Our crown jewels at this time is the evolution of electric vehicles and new clean tech in China. We have tremendous presence in China. That gives us unprecedented access to that market. And China obviously has a pollution problem. It needs to reduce carbon emissions. So they're doing electric vehicle transformation at scale. We're a major partner for that. We're helping them with the financing and also with the manufacturers alliance that we have with the group buying to help large fleet operators finance and procure their vehicles.
Let's get your website out for our audience to get more information, if you would.
Yeah, sure. You can find out more information about us at www.ideanomics.com. That's IDEANOMICS.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alf Poor, Ideanomics, IDEX. It's a publicly traded company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN.Live, and we're coming to you live from the 2019 Disruptive Growth Conference here in New York City. Alf, thank you so much for coming.
Shelley, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
My pleasure.